This is a Harbor Breeze Breezeway 30-inch hugger with 6 blades, and it's got reversible blades. They're wood finish. It's the side I have down, and white on the top. And I got this because I like these little 6-blade huggers. You know, it's just a thing. Can't describe it. You know, if you look back at my videos, I have one hanging in my closet, which you can kind of see in there at the top. But we're talking about this one. This one runs pretty well. You know, for being a Harbor Breeze fan, it's really good. It can be installed in 4 different configurations also. I already told you about the blades. They can have white or wood finish. But it can also be installed with or without the light. And that is because it comes with a switch cap, which is right there. And it looks pretty good without the light as well. I actually think it looks better. Just my opinion. Anyway, how about we turn it on? First off the light. You can see it works just fine. Now the fan. For its size, it's definitely moving a good amount of air. You know, for being a 30-inch fan and all. Now it is electrically reversible, like almost any fan you buy today is. So we'll pop the switch up and show it going the other direction. Alright, well, there you go.